I gotta show you this, guys. Like, oh my God. Now, you're gonna get a casserole dish and spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. And then you're gonna add, try to keep stuff out of the way for you guys to see. 2 of these bags of cheddar and broccoli. They're the Knorr brand name sidekicks. This is going to be a processed supper. So if you have a problem with that, then sorry. So we're going to add 2 of these. Sometimes you just gotta go process when you're in a hurry for dinner. That's how it goes. Okay. And then you're gonna add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. This is actually another recipe that my husband loves. And then 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Is it just me, or did they change the recipe for the cream of chicken soups? Because a long time ago it had a lot more flavor, and now it's kind of dull. So we do eat a lot of cream of mushroom soup. And I don't like mushrooms, so figure that one out. Okay, I'm gonna add 1.5 cans of chicken broth. Need another carton. Shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. All right. There we go. Give that a good mix without spilling, because I always spill. Oh, the oven's up to temperature. All right. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Move the lid. Now we're adding this chicken raw. And I'm just gonna place chunks kind of everywhere and space it out so it doesn't get all stuck together. Okay, now we're just gonna dunk it in a little bit so they're kind of covered. And then wash our hands. And then we'll add some cheese. I do shred my own cheese when I'm at home. When I'm in the RV, I don't, because I can't be bothered. But when I'm at home, I do shred my own cheese because I feel like it tastes better. And of course, it's less expensive. And I use my Starfrit shredder. So I'm just gonna put a layer, just a thin layer of the cheese on top. I'm going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And then I'll probably broil, I'm gonna put it in the oven like covered for 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna uncover it, and I want to broil so the cheese gets all browned and delicious. So we will be back. Oh, all I smell is the soups, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, the cheese. I gotta show you this, guys. Like, oh my God. I don't know if this is a good... It just, oh my, it's just crazy. I had to shut my oven before I hurt myself. Okay, so I just broiled it for 5 minutes, and it made a big difference. Like, just when I baked it, the cheese was, it looked good, but broiling and browning and making everything look so delicious. So now, because it is rice, I'm gonna let it set for a little bit, and then I will dish out some so you guys can see the insides. But I gotta say, I did taste it because I wanted to make sure the rice was cooked, and it is delicious. I'm glad I didn't add any salt because there was lots of salt in the rice. But we're just gonna let it set, and I will be back. All right, let's see if it's set enough to dish up. I was gonna say that broccoli would be really good in here, but my husband doesn't care for broccoli, so I wouldn't put it in. But I think broccoli would be delicious. Just saying. I'm so excited for this, you guys. And this is one of my husband's favorites. If I probably already mentioned that, but there's so many ways you can make this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. I'm gonna give you a close up. Everything is cooked perfectly. Look at that. Rice and chicken. That's all you need. It looks so good. Look at that. And there's not even that much juice in there. Look at this. It's like it's all soaked in. Oh, you guys gotta make that. I'm gonna go eat my dinner because it smells and I know it tastes delicious already. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you, and I will come with the next video in a couple days. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day.